Hi, I'm Matthew Reda, technical consultant with Platinum Cube, and today I'm going to be going over how you can use AI to help you be more efficient as a Salesforce consultant. So let's pop into Salesforce here, and I've gone ahead and opened up an account record. And what I want to do today is have Claude create us an Apex trigger that's going to go ahead and populate this ultimate parent account. So I'm going to pop over to Claude, go over the prompt, and then we can kind of come back here. So what I've done is pre-written this prompt, but what I'm asking it to do is review our parent account field. If that's populated, then I want it to look at the ultimate parent account field and then go ahead and find our ultimate parent account. So I'm going to go ahead and prompt Claude. And then while that loads, I'm going to pop back into Salesforce here and again kind of show that off visually. So we can see here we have our parent account field populated, but our ultimate parent account is blank. And so what I wanted to do is if we look at the account hierarchy, so we can see we're on this info media, and I wanted to go ahead and find our global holdings and populate that field for us on info media. And just to showcase that this isn't currently working, I don't have anything set up in the background, I'm going to edit and hit save. You can see that's not getting populated for us. So that should have been enough time. Let's pop back to Claude here and go ahead and grab that code. So we can see here it's gone ahead and populated that code for us. And again, if you watched any of the previous videos, when you're asking AI to go ahead and write code for you, make sure you're always reviewing it. You don't want anything malicious getting inserted into your org. So here I'm just going to take a quick look. And from a glance, it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and copy this over and go into our developer console. So I'm going to go ahead and hit File, New Apex Trigger. And just to make sure this matches, I actually didn't read. So this is our ultimate parent account trigger. So let's go ahead and populate that in there for us. And then select our object. So that's going to be our account object. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste this in and save. So we can see it's saving here. Give it 1 second. And again, just kind of review this code here. Looks good. We can see that there's some comments, so you may want to update or remove these when you're using AI. But I do find for the most part that these are pretty helpful comments. And then let's pop back to our account record here and let's see if this is going to work for us. So let's just go ahead and edit and hit save. And perfect, we can see that it ran. It went ahead and populated our global holdings here and our triggers working well. So that's another way that you can use AI to help you write Apex triggers or just be a little bit more efficient as a Salesforce consultant. Thanks for joining.